VantageScore Credit Score Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the VantageScore Credit Score Tool. Links to the product and related resources can be found in the description below. In this video, I'll provide a concise breakdown of its features, explain who it's designed for, and help you understand how it can enhance your credit management journey. The VantageScore Credit Score Tool is one of the most widely recognized credit scoring models developed collaboratively by the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Unlike many credit scoring models, VantageScore aims to provide a more inclusive approach to credit scoring, benefiting individuals with limited or no credit history. It uses advanced algorithms to evaluate creditworthiness based on a broader range of data, ensuring a fairer and more accurate score. One of its key advantages is that VantageScore can generate scores for individuals with as little as 1 month of credit history or those who haven't used credit in over 2 years. This feature is particularly valuable for people new to credit, such as young adults or immigrants, who may struggle to get scores from traditional models. Additionally, it's a free tool available through various platforms like Credit Karma and Experian, allowing you to monitor your score without additional costs. The VantageScore system provides detailed breakdowns of key factors affecting your score, such as payment history, credit utilization, credit mix, and recent inquiries. These insights are presented clearly, helping users identify areas for improvement. The tool also updates regularly, allowing you to track changes to your credit over time and adjust your financial habits accordingly. This tool is ideal for individuals who want a comprehensive understanding of their credit health. It's especially helpful if you're planning to apply for loans, credit cards, or mortgages and want to ensure you qualify for favorable terms. Financially savvy users and those just starting their credit journey will both benefit from its inclusiveness and transparency. In conclusion, the VantageScore Credit Score Tool is a powerful, inclusive, and free resource for tracking and improving your credit score. It's designed for anyone who values financial awareness and wants to make informed credit decisions. Check out the links in the description to start taking control of your credit today.